RoboTIC4Humans is now taking place in Olsztyn, Poland. During the intensely busy 5 days, a lot has happened. We have cooperated on many levels of robotics. Each of us shared our ideas, thanks to which the outcome of our work is spectacular. By creating programs and codes, we are more aware of how fast artificial intelligence enters our lives. However, apart from the hard work, we also got to know other team members really well. We combined integration with visiting the most interesting places in Olsztyn, as well as in Gdańsk. Cooperation, kindness, partnership, and certainly a lot of laughter, these words perfectly sum up our meeting.
I think it will be the things that interest me most is the high school. Like in France we don't have as many activities and high school are not as big as this, and it's very interesting, like the biology class, a lot of things interest me inside, so I think I will say that the high school surprised me.
I remember the most the excursion to Gdańsk because we got to explore a beautiful city with a big history, and all the people there was like really fun.
Yes, I would. I found this city very nice, very welcoming. The old city is great. It's very much beautiful of how things were. You've kept the buildings intact. Even the transport system is great. I would definitely come here again. I would even recommend it to my friends and family, even people in school.
During Erasmus in Romania, I met many people with similar interests to me, so I missed them so much, and I'm very happy that I had the opportunity to spend time with wonderful people from France, Portugal and Romania. I think that the Erasmus Plus RoboTIC4Humans project is very necessary because nowadays the development of robotics is fast and not many people know how to operate and deal with robots and how to cooperate with them.
This idea with robotics comes from lecture, French and Polish one, I think, for example, to Stanislav Lem, and films, and specific exposition in Paris, a maker fair, where I see robots and application for students. So we have a specific link with Vami Mazuri and the Marshal, and we know him. And from Côte d'Armor in France, we have a very specific link with Vami Mazuri, so it's normal for us to choose a lycée in Olsztyn. We choose the best one. So that's very simple for us. So for Romania, if you well remember, there's an important author from Romania, and we choose a lycée in our country, in Saint-Brieuc, which is the lycée Chaptal, and in our relationship we have a specific link with Portugal, so we choose in the middle of our friend. Why robotics? That's important today, and we have more and more application of robots around us, and it's very pleasant to see that there's the same fear in front of robot than in the Antiquité, in the past, in front of the writing, for example, and all the different new opportunity of the technology make a big fear in the population. Remember train, remember cars, and now we have the same fear in front of robotics activities. So it will be interesting to work the project on two legs. One on the technical legs about robotics and technical aspect, and the philosophical aspect of the project. What are the relations between humans and robots? In our association in France, the main value and the main topics is to create links between students from different countries in order to prepare the next Europe where we will live. And it's a real opportunity for everyone to travel and discover other culture, and it's a reason why we write and start an Erasmus project like that.
Jesteśmy bardzo zadowoleni, że w Piątym Liceum Ogólnokształcącym ma miejsce taki projekt o bardzo dużym zakresie, łączący 4 kraje, Francję, Portugalię, Rumunię i Polskę, nasze Piąte Liceum Ogólnokształcące. Dla szkoły to wielki prestiż, wyróżnienie, ale i niezwykłe doświadczenie. Zgadza się, bo takiego projektu na taką skalę, gdzie zaangażowano było aż tyle osób, jeszcze nie mieliśmy i rzeczywiście niewiele szkół olsztyńskich takie przedsięwzięcie podejmuje. Rzeczywiście przygotowań było sporo, trwały już od kilku miesięcy, zaangażowany był cały zespół nauczycieli, w szczególności nauczyciele, którzy są skupieni właśnie w zespole do spraw europejskiego rozwoju szkoły i naprawdę trzeba było wiele działań zrealizować dużo wcześniej, aby wszystko zagrało tak jak trzeba.